Does the same recommendation not to marry as a student apply to women who are studying? I wasn't sure because girls are encouraged to marry young. Girls and boys are encouraged to marry young. Particularly these days, now that the world is drowning in concupiscence. My own view, for what it's worth, is that because now, unlike in previous generations, we are able to postpone the arrival of children through halal methods reliably, it is better for students to be married, particularly in an American or British campus environment where a kind of orgiastic drinking ethos prevails. It's much better for our hearts for that particular tendency to be stilled as much as possible. Sometimes it's not possible, obviously, because the spouse may be somewhere else. The two students may not be at the same university, but generally it is better. It is much better. Yeah, you know, some of these questions to do with such intimate things that I don't really feel able to deal with them here, but if people want to ask me afterwards, they can.